Hey y'all, it's Anon here. Today we are going to be decorating my graduation cap. So I want mine to be like kind of girly and like florally. Maybe this will give you guys some inspiration to decorate your own graduation cap. I don't know. So I'm gonna go to Michael's and grab some flowers and then we'll come back.
Locking eyes across the silence, I think you feel it too. Bite my tongue, turn my head, don't wanna run to you.
We got the goods from Michael's. So what I ended up getting was like a couple of these baby breath flowers, and then I got like this little bouquet thing. Okay, so I just did a rough template on my phone. This is what I kind of want it to look like, so I'm going to transfer this on this screen, on my laptop screen. Now I'm just measuring my cap, just make sure the size is right. So I'm using my Silhouette Cameo to cut out my letters, but you can literally just paint it or write it. So I want my letters to be white, so I'm gonna put it on this sheet. So as you can see, I forgot to put my blade in. Oops, that's embarrassing.
That's what I'm used to. And if you want me, I say just have me. I know.
Alright, so now that my thing is done cutting, I'm gonna just cut around it and then peel it. Ta-da! Alright, so now all I'm gonna do is just transfer these letters to my hat. Yeah. So I have this contact paper so I can transfer my letter stickers. Oh, you can see that the T is literally touching that little knob thing so freaking close. But you know, it's fine. I'm sure there's easier ways to do this, but this is how I want to do it, so yeah, and then we're just gonna carefully peel this. So this is what it ended up looking like. I think that's so cute. I kind of don't like that it's so close to the edge, but it's fine. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is get these flowers that I bought and try to make a little flower headband situation, if you will. So now I'm just cutting all these flowers into single pieces. So I just found this weird random little clipper things and it works, so yeah, I'll just use them. I finally got every piece cut out. So what I was thinking is just using these as like the head base or to wrap around the hat like this, and then just twist more of the flowers around it. Hopefully that turns out good. I don't know. See, I was thinking like just twisting them all together like this.
Taste it and save some for later. But then again,
No wonder why they charge so much for a flower crown. This is kind of harder than I thought it would be. Measure my head.
I think you feel it too. By my tongue, turn my head, don't wanna run to you. Lost in emotion out in the open, trying to keep my cool. That's what I'm.
Alright, so this is the current situation. I think it's actually starting to look cute. I basically killed my fingers for this, but it's gonna turn out so cute. I just know it. So
That's what I'm used to. And if you want me, I say just have me.
okay, so literally 30 minutes later, not even 30, but like maybe an hour later, I finally finished my little flower crown, and this is how it turned out. I think it looks pretty cute. I mean, you can see the strings, but like, doesn't matter, it's gonna go on my hat. Now I'm just gonna like put this, whatever. It actually looks really cute. Okay, so I'm thinking with my leftover flowers, I'm going to like glue some like on the front right here, or like maybe the corners or something like that. Should I put some right here on the sides? Or should I do one in the middle? So I'm finally done with my hat, and this is what it ended up looking like. So I put the same wherever life plants you, bloom with grace, because I still don't know what I want to do in life, but that's okay, because wherever I'm meant to be is where I'm meant to be, and I'm not really worried about the future. So I'm just going with the flow, and just wherever I belong on this earth is where I'm supposed to be. So it only cost me like $11 to make all of this, so I recommend going to Michael's. They have a 50% off, and just make your own flower crown. And yeah, so, and if you don't have a silhouette machine like I do, if you want me to make you something, just slide in my DMs on Instagram and just let me know what kind of hat you want and see if I can make it. Make it however you want to, because you're the one that's gonna be wearing the hat. So yeah, all right, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, just give it a thumbs up. All right, bye.